Hello everyone, I hope you're still doing well. My name is Kevin Who, and this week we've got a lot to do. So, in the last video, I got a comment saying, add a star, good. Well, first, what is a star? A star, it's an algorithm that tells the computer how to get from point A to point B, so basically pathfinding. That's all it is. Now, why haven't I added a star to the guards and stuff and enemies? Because it would make sense. Well, a few reasons. One, because I never done a star before and I was kind of procrastinating. And two, a star, the pseudocode on the wiki's not super clear to me. But hey, I'm sure I'll learn something about pseudocode and stuff while I'm going through this. So, yeah, let's get going with that. So it's time to start coding the A star. After that wiki and reading the whole wiki, mostly, not just the pseudocode, I kind of understand a bit more, but from a friend named Rab, the very person who suggested to add A star, I asked him for some help, and he helped me a bit, but there were still a few major problems. And then finally, kinda worked when I noticed that it said it needs to have a default value of infinity, so apparently that was very important and should not be skipped over because it won't work then. So yeah, now that it's working basically, I'm going to move over to RAID 51 and try at it there. It wasn't as smooth as I hoped it would be, moving it from the separate program to the RAID 51. I thought it would be smooth, it's just a simple function. It should be fine, but no, the guards didn't want to. They were colliding with everything on their way to the location, and sometimes they just give up on moving to the location. Sometimes it's just annoying. So like, after about like 2 days of banging my head against a wall, finally, we got something. It works. Future Kevin here. I think I broke the pathfinding just a little bit, kind of lags a lot. I only noticed it a few days later, so we'll come back to this when it actually happens. So now is kind of time for me to make a few optimizations, because I didn't appreciate my 50 FPS. I wanted a 60 FPS or above. So, I was looking around, and then I found some great optimization. What if I had a big brain moment? What if we move all the drawing onto the screen work to the GPU instead of the CPU? But now we've got our first problem with this. Everything's blurry. The text is blurry. Why is it all so blurry? And I don't know. I just looked it up and I found this one line of code to add in. I didn't know where to add it in at the start, so it took a while, but then we added it in, and it finally works. Everything's fine, and all's well. So now that works, I kind of already started, before I found this optimization, I kind of already started reworking the block system for a second time. Better be the last time. I hope I make this block system really good this time. The last block system wasn't that bad, but like, it could have used improvement. And, you know, it might give me 5 more frames, and 5 more frames is 5 more frames. So I didn't use OpenGL in the end. It was kind of laggy, and that's probably my fault because I don't know how to use OpenGL. But I'm thinking of learning how to use OpenGL and then maybe possibly switch to pure Java, which would probably mean a full recode of this game. But that shouldn't be too bad now that I've got most of the ideas planned out. So I'll just have to make sure I don't procrastinate and get the game done and recoded, but that's for next time. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. This one's a little less edited and a little less long than the other videos because I kind of ran out of things to do and I came up with an idea, but it's gonna take some time, so that's why I want to start that now. And I'll catch up with you in my next video. Hope you all have a great day and stay safe.